History books have often described the Memons as the sailor businessmen of India who migrated out of Gujarat, settling down and doing business in Indian cities and places further afield. Mian Ahmad Suleiman Darwish was one such entrepreneur who left his native town of Veeraval in Gujarat and moved to set up shop in Mumbai in 1909. He was the first importer of Burma teak into India, and in fact, the first ship that sailed into India was his. And he helped establish the now famous wholesale timber market of Mustafa Bazar in Baikala. And the street near Ahmad Darwish Chowk still stands as a tribute to his business legacy. There is a traditional belief in the Memon community that timber never lets you sleep on an empty stomach. And the family dominated this business of importing and trading in Burma teak, the strongest wood used to make furniture and door frames in India. With a sturdy foundation, much like the reliable door frame, the Darwish Group built a global empire for over 100 years that has spanned through 4 generations. As the family grew, so did the business. The founder, Mian Ahmad Suleiman Darwish, had one son, Mian Saudagar Darwish, who himself had 4 sons. And the business expanded further in timber-related value additions, like a plywood and particle board factory, packaging of films, and others. His second-born son, Hassan Suleiman, was the most ambitious and took the business out of India, fulfilling his father's vision to expand abroad. In 1981, Hassan Suleiman Darwish established an office in Muscat and later moved to the United Arab Emirates, with Dubai becoming the company's global headquarters. Hassan Darwish's 2 sons, Ehsan and Talib Darwish, worked alongside their inspiring father and multiplied the business both geographically to Europe, Africa, GCC and Asia, and into many diverse industries, transforming the Darwish Group with 3 major verticals: industries, trading and technologies. The first industry diversification in 1990 was in packaging films used by FMCG companies like Coke, Pepsi, Britannia and others. And Darwish today is the largest producer of certain grades of films in the entire UAE and the only PVC-free food-grade film producers in the GCC region. Next was the trade in petrochemicals like methanol and toluene that are used in paints and perfumery. In technology, the acquisition of patents was an exciting journey, resulting in many innovative products such as Fire Killer, an ultra-portable fire extinguisher with a small, compact, lightweight cylinder, revolutionary aerosol dispenser with space-age technology. It is a non-toxic, non-pressurized green product that comes with a lifetime guarantee and requires no maintenance. In order to understand Darwish's future, we need to take a pause and peek into an interesting discovery in history. In 1796, German-born Alois Senefelder was a playwright in debt who was unable to publish his works and so experimented with different printing techniques, which finally resulted in a special form of printing press called stone printing. However, the French word lithography stuck. Alois' innovative effort made printing more affordable to more people and was important in art and newspaper printing. Lithographic printing has been and still is an integral part of our lives. Every time you pick up that newspaper in the morning or browse through your favorite magazine, take a deep breath. Even as we head full steam into the digital era, our world is still built on paper. Davesh's latest venture is Darba, the door to paper and printing products, with offices and warehouses in the UAE, Oman, Nigeria, Kenya and South Africa. It all began with a chance encounter with Abdul Moin, a printing technologist with 32 years experience in the printing industry across the GCC. Darbap's vision is extensive. To become the hypermarket for all your printing and paper needs under one roof. From plates and inks, consumables, materials, equipment and machines. And finally, to have its own fine-grade paper mill and forest cultivation for pulp and timber. The company comes back full circle, back to the future. In an intuitive, natural backward integration, they are actually leaping forward, inviting you to be a part of their growth journey. Join the values that define Davesh: honesty, integrity, and loyalty. And having withstood the test of time and trials, they carry the tagline,